How to solve app not working is your Prepladder app crashing, stuck on loading, showing no internet connection, or videos not playing properly. In this video, I'll show you the most effective ways to fix the Prepladder app step by step using official troubleshooting methods and real user-reported fixes. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. According to Prepladder's official system requirements, the app needs a stable connection for videos and study material to load properly. Now close the Prepladder app completely and reopen it. Sometimes temporary glitches can stop videos or notes from loading correctly. Next, go to the Google Play Store or App Store and check if there's a new update available for Prepladder. Many users reported that updating the app fixed loading and playback issues after recent updates. If the app is still not working, clear the app cache. On Android, go to Settings, then Apps, then Prepladder, then Storage, and tap Clear Cache. Google officially recommends clearing cache when apps crash, freeze, or stop responding. After that, restart your phone and open the app again. If videos are still buffering or not opening, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Some users experienced no internet errors even with working internet, and changing networks helped temporarily fix the issue. Now here's one of the most important fixes. Uninstall the Prepladder app completely and reinstall it from the official store. Multiple users on Reddit reported that reinstalling the app and logging in again solved video playback and loading problems. Also, make sure your phone meets the minimum system requirements. Prepladder officially supports Android 7 and above on non-rooted devices, and iOS 13 or later on non-jailbroken devices. In fact, Prepladder states that rooted Android phones may be blocked because of security restrictions. Pro tip: if downloaded videos are not playing, remove old downloads from the app and re-download them after updating the app version. Some users reported corrupted offline files after updates caused playback issues. And finally, if nothing works, contact official Prepladder support through their help center or customer support section inside the app. So that's how you can fix the Prepladder app not working problem step by step. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below which app problem you want me to solve next.